Welcome back to LSV Weekly, your weekly dose of smarter living in the GTA. From neighborhoods where schools shine to a crispy gluten-free dinner win, plus a market update every buyer needs to hear. Let's dive right in. This week, Hillcrest Village steps into the spotlight. With top-ranked schools, leafy streets, and a family-first atmosphere, it's no wonder Hillcrest has become one of Toronto's most in-demand neighborhoods.
With schools ranked among the best in the GTA, Hillmount Public School is a standout, with a Fraser Institute rating of over 9 out of 10, making it a top choice for academic excellence. Arbor Glen Public School matches this high standard, also scoring above 9 out of 10, offering a strong foundation for young learners. And at Seneca Hill Public School, exceptional ratings reflect its commitment to fostering well-rounded student success.
Discover where Hillcrest lands on our top 10 GTA school zones list, now streaming at lifestylevideos.com. Next, need dinner fast and gluten-free? Crispy gluten-free chicken cutlets are the answer. Golden, crunchy, and crowd-approved, they're the ultimate weeknight win.
Now that all of our ingredients are seasoned, we're ready to dredge the chicken. Grab a chicken breast, cut it into about 3 slices horizontally, and then pound them out a little bit. Not too thin, probably like this, it's about 1/4 of an inch. So the key to dredging is to have a dry hand and a wet hand. Make sure that it just has a nice coat of flour. I'm going to drop it into the egg wash and switch hands. So this hand, I'm just going to give it a nice coating in my liquid, and I'm going to pop it over into the breadcrumbs. Once it gets into the breadcrumbs, I'm going to use my dry hand and start coating it with some breadcrumbs. Make sure it's evenly coated on both sides. So we've finished dredging all of the chicken, and now it's time to fry. I've got my pan preheated to medium heat again, and I've got a good glug of olive oil in there. I'm going to add the chicken one at a time. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. If you add too many at one time, it'll slow down the cooking process and you won't get a nice even brown. And they only need about 3 to 4 minutes aside until they're nice golden brown. Then we're going to flip them.
Find the full recipe and easy step-by-step guide at lifestylevideos.com. Now in August, GTA home sales climbed, listings doubled, and buyers finally gained leverage. But with shifting interest rates and prices on the move, is now really the best time to act?
August saw 5,211 home sales reported through TREB's MLS system, a 2.3% increase compared to the same month last year. This bump in activity comes as home buyers continue to benefit from lower borrowing costs, thanks to recent Bank of Canada rate cuts. At the same time, new listings surged to over 27,400, a massive 115% jump year over year, giving buyers far more choice in today's market. The average selling price for August came in at $1,022,143, down slightly, about 5.2% from August 2024. This reflects ongoing adjustments in buyer affordability and a marketplace where more listings mean more negotiation power for buyers.
Catch the full August Market Watch, streaming now on Real Estate Rewired at lifestylevideos.com. That's LSV Weekly, your smarter living playbook for the week ahead. From school picks to quick meals and the latest market pulse, we've got your week covered. Be sure to subscribe, share, and explore every feature at lifestylevideos.com because smarter living starts right here, every week.